This is a 1975 Lakewood Dayton model 4C421 or S222 20-inch box fan. A lot of you Lakewood collectors out there bugged the crap out of me to see a video of this thing, so here it is. It's in really good shape. All the paint's basically there. It's not really scuffed up except for right there along that top edge. From my understanding, these fans were sold for like commercial use, and that was what the Dayton name was for. I've seen one of them actually, and only one, that had a little Dayton badge up there, like my S23 over there has a Lakewood badge up there. The blades are some of the shiniest I've seen for first generation blades. They're very, very nice looking, like they're polished. They're not. I didn't do anything to them except wash them. It does need a good cleaning again because this fan hasn't been cleaned in a long time, or oiled, but it doesn't need any oil. It looks like it's still spinning pretty good, but I'll throw some in anyway. Yeah, this is probably one of my pride and joy fans in my Lakewood collection, just for the fact it's a 2-speed and it's a S-series plastic bladed Lakewood, which I didn't have yet, other than my S223. This is my first gen one, so that was made me happy. Yeah, this thing's a pretty darn cool fan. But anyway, that's it for this video. So, as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.